Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and maybe you have used, or maybe you're using, or have seen URL shorteners. What are URL shorteners? They are actually website addresses that have been shortened to make it really easier to go to a specific place. So if you're address, you might have noticed that some of the URLs in the address bar are like extremely long when you click on them, and they give you links that are really incredibly long. So using URL shorteners makes things a lot better because it's easier to manage the short URLs. And of course, there are a few companies that give you URL shorteners. One of them is tinyurl, which offers the ability to have short URLs. And another one is bit.ly. So you might have seen addresses made very shortly thanks to that. But there's another provider that is Google, which is goo.gl. And that was, of course, a URL shortener that Google was providing since 2010. Well, if you are using the Google shorteners, they're going to stop that service in August of 2025. So that means if you were using that service, if you had some and still use some of the URLs that are short and that are Google URLs, they will stop working actually on August 25th, 2025. So Google is announcing it in advance so you can get prepared, change your URLs to something else, or use one of those alternative URL shorteners like I just mentioned, which is bit.ly and also tinyurl. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.